Hi everyone. This video will show you how to fix the error message Python was not found, run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Store, or disable this shortcut from settings. We will walk you through the following steps to fix this error. Add the path to Python to your user's path environment variable. You can do this by following these steps. Copy path Python, then go to path environment variable. Under User Variables, select the path variable and click on Edit. Restart CMD, then try again. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you.